In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Shopify store with ease. Whether you're a beginner or looking to give your store a fresh makeover, this guide will walk you through the essential steps to tailor your online store to your liking. We'll begin by opening up Shopify. Once you've logged into your Shopify account, go to the dashboard and head straight to the home of your store. It's your hub for quick insights and navigation, providing a central starting point for customizing settings and monitoring performance. Next, we'll navigate to the online store option found in the sidebar. Clicking on this takes you to the area where all the magic happens, your store's themes. The look and feel of your store are critical to engage customers effectively, so this is where you'll invest some creativity. With the themes page up, the next step is to click on Customize. This action will let you alter the visual presentation of your store. Shopify offers a lot of flexibility here, giving you the power to modify a default theme extensively or start with something new. As we proceed, pay special attention to your footer section. This area, often underestimated, holds substantial value as it commonly persists across all store pages. Click on Footer and you'll find multiple customization options. First, let's note the color scheme. It's crucial to maintain brand consistency while selecting colors that appeal to your audience. Moving along, find the email sign-up section. This feature is pivotal for building your mailing list directly through the store. It encourages visitors to subscribe, keeping them informed about promotions and updates instantly. A compelling call to action text here can do wonders. The heading section is another important area. Here you define the title style across your Shopify store. It can be beneficial to experiment a bit, making sure the headers are clear, descriptive, and aligned with your store's theme. About utilities, this option offers additional settings that can affect how the footer functions, including social media links or legal pages. Utilize this space effectively to manage essential store operations. When it comes to spacing and layout, you'll want to look into spacing and padding. Adjusting these ensures that your store feels well spaced and comfortable for users to navigate, free from clutter or overwhelming text blocks. Finally, to truly personalize your theme, click on Theme Settings to find the Custom CSS box. This section is for those who wish to tweak their theme's style in a more detailed way, allowing you to apply unique branding tweaks that make your store stand out. By following these steps, you will transform your Shopify store into a user-friendly and visually appealing platform that attracts and retains customers. Take your time exploring each option, and remember, consistency and cleanliness of design often make the best impression. Happy customizing!